Okay, so in today's lesson, we're going to learn about the 5 important website on-page elements to rank higher. Okay, so basically, when I say on-page or on-site optimization, these are what elements of the website on the web page on the website that you can do to be able to influence and let Google know that, hey, we should be ranking this particular website for these particular keywords. Okay, and there's a host of on-page optimization elements, factors that obviously contribute to ranking in Google. But in my humble but accurate opinion, I believe that there are these 5 on-page factors really are the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that order. Okay, one of the first things is keyword in the domain name, and we're going to go through examples of all of this. Keyword in domain name is basically in your website. So if your website is, and I'll show you an example, johnsmithllc.com, and you're a DUI lawyer in Tampa, you don't have the keyword Tampa DUI lawyer, your main primary keyword, or any associated keyword in your website name, domain name, you have a brand name, basically, johnsmithllc.com. But if you have a website name that is tampaduilawyer.com, obviously that's giving a signal to Google that, hey, this website is something to do with DUI lawyers in Tampa. Okay. The second is the meta title tag. The title tag is just one of the elements in the website. You don't have to get technical, but this is the one that's displayed in the search engine results, right? This is the one that you click and you go to the website. The clickable headline, the clickable portion in the search engine results and the Google results when you're searching for anything. That's what's meta title tag. So if you have your main keyword or your main couple of keywords in the title tag of your homepage or the page you're looking to rank, obviously that's the second most important factor. Third is the inner page URL. So you could have you could be a Tampa or any city DUI lawyer. Your homepage could be ranking for DUI lawyer, and then your inner page could be ranking for criminal lawyer, the keyword criminal lawyer, right? And so if your inner page URL has the keyword, so example, johnsmithllc.com/criminal lawyer Tampa, that's gonna contribute a lot of weight. The fourth will be the header tags. These are the bold headlines in your website. I'll go over those. And the last one is what I call NAP, which is basically name, address, phone number in your website. That should be the exact same as the Google My Business listing. And you'll be surprised how some websites have a totally different address in the GMB listing, that's the map listing, and a different address in the website. Okay, or they may have the same address but different variation, and that also kind of can hurt your SEO rankings in Google. So let's go into details. So here is what I did is I searched for DUI lawyer Tampa, Florida. One of the first things you notice is I have a plugin called the Keywords Everywhere plugin, which shows me the number of searches a month. This particular keywords gets searched every single month. And if I were to do AdWords, Google Ads, this is the cost per click. So every click that these guys are obviously Google Ads, they are paying approximately $81.70 every time somebody clicks on this. That's pretty expensive, okay? But it's a good search volume. There's about 140 people searching for this every single month. Looks like a lot of DUI accidents out there in Tampa. But anyways, if you come down here, this is what's called the GMB listing or the map listings, right? And these guys here, and then these guys here, which are organic rankings, they are getting all the traffic for free. They are not paying a dime to Google because, hey, these are actually getting free organic traffic. So one of the reasons, if you see that this particular keyword, DUI lawyer Tampa, Florida, let's look at this directory site, justier.com, yelp.com. We're not bothered with these ones. These are huge sites that are ranking just by the authority of their website. Don't worry about that. But look at the #1 website that's ranking organically, right? What do you see? He's got the first #1 on-page factor. He's got the keyword in the domain. He's got tampaflduilawyer.com, which is DUI lawyer Tampa in a different variation, obviously in his root domain, in his domain name, and that's one of the reasons that he's able to rank higher. Of course, there's a lot of other things going to it, like backlinks and things, but when it comes to on-page optimization, this is helping him tremendously. Okay, he's also look at the second one. He's also got a variation Tampa DUI in his web domain. That's called a partial match, and that's helping him also. This is an exact match domain. This is a partial match domain, right? If you come down here, you see here that this guy does not have the keyword in the domain. He does not have DUI lawyer, but he does have DUI lawyer in the title tag. So this is the second most important meta title, second most important ranking factor. He has the second most important ranking factor dialed in, and that's why he's number 4. If you see this guy, he's got the same thing in the root domain and the title tag, same with him, right? If only this guy would go and, instead of having criminal defense attorney Tampa, if he had put the keyword DUI and lawyer in this root domain, he would probably be ranking higher than these guys, But that's what, I hope you understand, right? So that's the second one. The third factor is the H1 tags. So let me open up an example. H1 tag is something like this one, right? This is the bold header. So this guy is all about DUI in Tampa. He's got DUI in the root domain. He's got DUI here in his title tag. And then he's got it in his headers, H1 tag. This is a variation of that H2 tag, So he's being able to rank for Tampa, Florida, DUI lawyer and variations because he's got DUI lawyer in Tampa all over the website, right? The example I'm going to give you for, having an inner page URL, let's see an example here, right? This guy is DUI lawyer Tampa. Most DUI lawyers are also criminal lawyers. I mean, obviously they want to rank for criminal lawyer. When I search for criminal lawyer Tampa, there's about 70 searches a month, even more expensive ads. These guys are, running ads. We're not worried about them. But if you come down here, do you see it? The first guy that's ranking, he's got Tampa criminal lawyer in his root domain. He does not have DUI or anything else. Same thing with him. He's got Tampa criminal defense lawyer, and this is an inner page, as a matter of fact. What you would notice is that this guy here, this website, criminal defense attorney tampafl.com, he's ranking higher, for criminal lawyer in Tampa, but for DUI lawyer in Tampa, he's still ranking, but somewhere down. Is it the same website? Let's say criminal defense attorney tampafl.com. Criminal defense attorney Tampa. Okay, it's a different website. So he's not even ranking. But if you see this here, he's ranking because he's also got an inner page. And if I open this inner page, which I've opened it here, he's got criminal defense in his root domain name. He's got criminal website Tampa in his inner page. He's got it in his title tag. So it's helping him a lot. He's got it in his, I bet he's got it in his H1 tags, so H2 tags, variation of criminal attorney and criminal lawyer. So I hope this makes sense. These are the 4, the top 4 on-page ranking factors. And the second, the fifth one is the name, address, and the phone number. It should be the exact in the Google My Business listing. So let's say we take him as an example. His address is 1005 North Marion Street, Tampa, FL, right? And if we go to his website, let's just go to his website. It's exactly the same thing. He doesn't have a different address. As a matter of fact, even the ST is the same here. Where you go, ST, right? He did not spell street as STREET over here, and then over in his website, he did not have a different variation. It should be the exact same for higher chances in as far as ranking goes. Let's take a couple of other examples. Let's take this guy. He says W Platt Street, suite number 105. Let's take his website. Let's see how that is. If we go all the way to the bottom, hopefully he has it. Yep, see, he's got this exact same thing. Hash 105. He did not say SUITE suite or STE suite. Well, look at that. He has it different in his footer. cmotion.com. Okay, so he is ranking in the maps, but obviously not in the organic. You see that? Because he is not, I don't see cmotion4.com website, the bottom of page 1. If you only would go and correct all the addresses the exact same way in all his GMB listings and website and other directories, and if you also maybe put, if he wants to rank for DUI lawyer Tampa, he might want to put DUI lawyer Tampa in, in the beginning of the title tag here. Just those two things will help him probably go up 3, 4, 5 spots on page 1. And that's big, because right now he's getting very little traffic. If he just shoots up to spot 4 or 5 on page 1, he's going to capture a lot more traffic. So hope this made some sense, guys. Again, these are the top 5 elements. All you have to do is go check your website and see if those are in place. And if it's not in place, just do those little things, and you're going to be surprised that you see your website jump sometimes even pages in Google search results if you just get these dialed in. So hope this helps. Till the next video, over and out.